Most of us know a little about how babies learn to talk. From the time infants are born, they hear language because their parents talk to them all the time. Between the age of 7 and 10 months, most infants begin to make sounds. They repeat the same sounds over and over again. For example, a baby may repeat sounds da 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 or ba ba ba. This activity is called babbling. When babies babble, they are practicing their language. Soon, the sounds da 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 may become daddy and ba 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 become battle. What happens to children who cannot hear? How do deaf children learn to communicate? Recently, doctors have learned that deaf babies babble with their hands. Laura and Petito and psychology at McGill University, Montreal, Canada, has studied how children learn language. She observed their hearing infants and two deaf infants. The three hearing infants had English-speaking parents. The two deaf infants had deaf mother and father who used American Sign Language (ESL) to communicate with each other and with their babies. Dr. Potato studied the babies 3 times at 10, 12, and 14 months. During this time, children really begin to develop their language skill. After watching and videotaping the children from several hunting hours, the psychologist and her assistant made many important observations. For example, they showed that hearing children made many different varied motions with their hands. However, there appeared to be pattern to test motion. The deaf babies also made many different hand movements were more consistent and deliberate. The deaf babies seem to make the same hand movement over and over again. During the 4-month period, the deaf babies' hand motions start to resemble some of the basic hand shapes used in ESL. The children also seem to prefer certain hand shapes. Hearing even start first with simple syllable babbling da da da, then put more syllables together to sound like sentence and question. Apparently, deaf babies follow this same pattern too. First, they repeat simple hands and shapes. Next, they form some simple hand sign words and use their movement together to resemble ESL sentence. Language people who study language believe that our ability for language is innate. In other words, humans are born with the capacity for language. It does not matter if we're physically able to speak or not. Language can be expressed in many different ways. For instance, by speech or by sign. Dr. Potato believes this theory and wants to prove it. She plans study hearing children who have one deaf parents and one hearing parents. Dr. Potato wants to see what happens when babies have the opportunity to learn both sign language and speech. Does the human brain prefer speech? Some of the studies of hearing babies who have one deaf parent and one hearing parent show the babies babble equally with their hands and voice. They also produce their first words, both spoken and signed. At about the same time, the capacity for language is equally human. More studies in future may prove that sign by system of the deaf in the physical equivalent of speech. If so, the theory that only spoken is language will have to be changed. The whole concept of human communication will have a very new and different meaning. Thank you.